Now your site is a bit bare bone at the moment, so it's highly recommended that you add some bell and whistles via the Shopify app stores. For the purpose of this guide, I'll be focusing on the dropshipping apps that you can look into. Here are some of my recommendations. Oberlo. I have mentioned Oberlo several times in this guide, and for good reason. As Shopify owned dropshipping app, Oberlo's integration with the platform is easy as seamless as can be. When you navigate to your products menu and click find more products to sell, Shopify automatically takes you to the Oberlo app. Now, the key features of Oberlo apps are easy import of dropshipping product straight from your Shopify store. Order fulfillment is handled directly by Oberlo, so you never have to touch or manage inventory. Get automatic update of order quantity and pricing directly from supplier. Product customization features, so you can modify product names, descriptions, and images. Automated price features for setting up pricing rules and managing prices in bulk. Shipment tracking, so you can keep tabs on all orders. Multiple users support, so you can bring a team to help you to run your store or business. Find exciting products that you are currently selling on Oberlo. These were the key features. Now, if we talk about pricing, free for those who have 500 or fewer products and get up to 50 orders per month. $29.99 per month for those who has up to 10,000 products and 500 monthly orders. $79.90 per month for those who have up to 30,000 or products and unlimited order per month. Next app is PRINTFUL, printing and warehousing. PRINTFUL is dropshipping solution specifically made for business that operate on print on demand model. If you are selling original design and artwork printed on merchandise like aprons, mugs, and posters, then Printful is the solution for you. Key features of Printful app is following: no upfront monthly fees and no inventory cost. Automatic and seamless integration with Shopify, so all orders are sent directly to Printful or for fulfillment. White label service and access to designer and photographers. Easily create mockup with Printful's mockup generator and mockup photos. Product photography service, in which they take pro-grade photos that you can upload to your store. Printful owned warehouse and fulfillment facility. You can expect consistency with orders, quality, and fulfillment. Pricing varies from order to order and product to products. Next application is Modalist, dropshipping name brands. Modalist is a Shopify dropshipping app that specialize in name brands. They have one of the largest selection of branded products, though you will also find niche and lesser known suppliers in their marketplace. They have many key features, and some of them are four main marketplace, which includes name brand, Spurga, Calvin Klein, Diesel, D Squared, Puma, Lacoste, and many more. Independent brands includes 600 plus niche vendors. Trendy affordable products. merchandise that focus on teen and young female customers, low cost good, inexpensive drones, gear, apparels, homewares, and many more products you can find on Modalist. Centralized supplier and product management. You can stay on top of orders from one system. Quickly add product from the Modalist marketplace onto your store. Item name and description editing and customization is also available there. Continuous updates of merchandise pricing, inventory, and all detail will be notified to you. Certain supplier offer free shipping as well. And the most important thing about this is this app is totally free. Next app on my list is Spocket. Spocket is a great for dropshippers who want to source from global suppliers. This app allows you to purchase products from countries in like United States, Europe, Asia, Africa. Spocket also boasts of having discount merchandise, allowing you to sell up to 30% and 60% margin. They also have many key features that I have listed over here. Over a million vended products for global suppliers. Items are supplied to customers in about 5 to 7 days, and local orders are shipped in 2 to 5 days that are best for dropshipping business. One-click order fulfillment. Spocket gives you access to discounted products so you can keep your margin up to 30% to 60% or even higher. Your invoices can be customized with your logo and branding. Real-time update of stock levels. You will get notification of all of those prices, stock updates, order fulfillment, order tracking as well. The other important thing about Spocket app is that it's completely free. No matter how much product you're gonna add to your store, how much orders you get per month, per week, or yearly, this app is totally free. Next app is Spreadr. Spreadr allows you to showcase Amazon product on your Shopify store and earn commission for every completed orders. Just add product from Amazon by using Spreadr import feature, which pull item from Amazon to your store. Your customer can then click the link from your store, then complete the purchase from Amazon, which then fulfills the order. The key features of Spreadr app is simple product import. All you need to do is paste the Amazon product URL onto your Spreadr dashboard, and the app will pull the product using Amazon's API. Amazon products are displayed on your site in such a way that the items follow your store look and feel. You can edit and tailor the item name and description for your site. Product images are stored on your Shopify website so you can edit and resize as necessary. Bulk import features so you can add items by the thousands of number. Automatic inventory and pricing updates so you don't have to worry about if price change on Amazon and you end up with no profit margin, or if the item or product is out of stock on Amazon, it will be automatically controlled by Spreadr app. It will cost you about 5 USD per month, and that's a great app in this low cost for a dropshipping business. If you are interested in dropshipping fashion and beauty items, then COLLECTIVEFAB is for you. A dropshipper located in Southern California, COLLECTIVEFAB specializes in fashionable, edgy, and stylish young women's fashion and beauty products that you can sell without any upfront investment. The key features of COLLECTIVEFABs are catalog of more than 3,500 products with new items added daily to help you to keep up with fashion trends. Orders are shipped from California Fab's facility directly to your customer with your own company details. In-app live chat supports from which you can send questions or concerns. Quality updates are sent every 4 hours so you can keep your stock level updated. Single and bulk product import features through CSV files, and this app will cost you about 29 USD per month. And the last app that I will personally recommend you is AliExpress Dropshipping. Prefer to dropship from AliExpress. Consider AliExpress Dropshipping, a Shopify app that allows you to import products from AliExpress so you can add them to your store. Order fulfillment can be done with a single click, and notifying customer is quickly and easy. The app also comes with an auto updating system so your pricing and stock levels are always up to date. The key features are search and import functionalities so you can find products within the app's interface and then import hundreds of items to your store. Order fulfillment is a semi-automatic process which entails clicking the order product button within the app. AliExpress Dropshipping will do the rest. Update to price are made daily. The app has a Chrome extension so you can import items while browsing AliExpress. The pricing for AliExpress dropshipper is 5 USD per month for up to 5,000 imports from AliExpress, $10 per month for up to 10,000 item import from AliExpress, Alibaba, and other marketplace, and $20 per month for up to 20,000 imports from AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, Alibaba, and more. Looking for other dropshipping apps for Shopify? The apps above I told you earlier are some of the top rated product sourcing apps from Shopify. There are many other applications in Shopify's marketplace, so check them out if looking for additional dropshipping solutions.